how to scale up campaigns, bid cap. So let's go ahead and select the ad here. Here you'll see the standard options, which can be ABO or CBO. Choose a straightforward catalog, and here you just need to use the bid cap option. And here you'll enter the cap amount. So for example, people often use this cost target to set it to 0.01 cents there and the bid cap to avoid overspending on the campaign while you ramp up the campaign, usually the cost target. So the bid cap is the same thing. With this button, I want to spend $100. So I'd set $100 for the next one. And here you have the default settings. So not really 51. Let's move on. Here it is. Next, don't create a campaign, and today everything is fine with the bid cap campaign as well. So is it loading yet? It processed quickly. In addition to taking over a bid cap campaign, it also takes over the created campaign, the ad, and the ad set. Great. That's how you set up a bid cap campaign.